Hello, welcome to Business News Update. In a bid to address liquidity concerns in the Nigerian foreign exchange market, the Central Bank of Nigeria on Wednesday announced measures targeting international oil companies engaged in cash pooling practices. According to a circular addressed to all authorized banks and signed by the Director of Trade and Exchange Department, Hassan Mahmoud, the move comes amidst growing concerns over the impact of cash pooling on domestic liquidity. Cash pooling, a common practice among IOCs, involves the transfer of proceeds from crude oil exports to parent accounts offshore. While acknowledging the necessity for IOCs to assess their export proceeds for offshore obligations, the CBN expressed concerns regarding its adverse effect on liquidity within the Nigerian forex market to ensure compliance and transparency. The CBN has laid out stringent documentation requirements, including prior approval for repatriation, execution of cash pooling agreements, and submission of expenditure statements and forex forms. The CBN says it remains committed to promoting transparency in the Nigerian foreign exchange market and will continue to develop policies to stabilize and further deepen the market. To wrap it up on business, European stocks were higher on Friday, coming off the back of two positive sections that have taken it back towards its recent record highs. The Stoxx 600 index was up 0.68% at 12:30 p.m. in London, with mining stocks leading with 2.7% gain. UK retail sales came in stronger than expected in a much-needed glimmer of light for the economy, which data Thursday showed has entered a technical recession. Sales rose by 3.4% month on month, according to the Office for National Statistics, higher than the 1.5% growth forecast in the Reuters poll of economics. It was the biggest monthly rise since April 2021 and follows a record fall in December, which hammered retailers during the key holiday month. The earnings flow slowed Friday, though Bank NatWest posted a 20% increase in full-year pre-tax profit ahead of expectations and a dip in its net interest margin. Shares opened lower before rebounding to a 6% gain. And that's it on Business News Update. I'm Godwin Amunde. Rapid Television News continues. Good evening.